Happy 2024, everybody. This may be my second video this year, but anyway, welcome to P&H Lawn Care, solo lawn operator. Hey everybody, and welcome to P&H Lawn Care's YouTube channel. I am Nick Phillips, owner, operator, solo operator, and I'm going to be doing a little something out of the ordinary today. If you watched my previous videos, I've been talking about how I want to try and work year-round. Had some family obligations that took me out of town last week, but as it so happens, the whole nation, or at least the eastern part of the nation, got hit with a huge weather system, which dropped a lot of snow in parts of the country, us included, and I'm about to show you that. But today, I got a call come in, and once they had a tree company come in and do their yearly maintenance on the trees, but for some reason they missed one, and the owner asked me if I wanted to come make it look like the rest of them. So that's what we're going to do today. And let's see. So today I'm going to be using my old faithful favorite, the PPT-2620 pole saw. It does stretch out, you'll see that, but I'm going to get y'all some footage of me trimming this tree up. And before y'all get into the comments on it, I'm not an arborist. I do some small tree trimming, and the owner emphasized to me she doesn't care if she loses the tree or not. She's kind of fed up with it. She just wants it trimmed down, and if it dies, it dies, because I'm sure in the weather conditions we have right now, it is not the optimum time to be trimming trees, but she wants it done, so I'm going to do it. Okay, so as y'all can tell, there's still snow on the ground, quite a bit actually. But so you can see the height of these apple trees that they did, and then this guy, they left that. So what I'm going to do, she wants them about the same height as this one, so I'm going over, and I'm thinking just notch all those notches and just leave a nice little stub. And many of y'all asked me that watch my leaf cleanup videos, boy, it must be nice just to drag it to the street. Well, this customer so happens, it just so happens that she is in the city, so all I gotta do is drag them to the truck and the city will pick them up. No chipping, no hauling off, none of that. So I'm going to try and keep it as clean as I possibly can, and just drag the branches down, get this thing knocked out, and enjoy being outside, because I was getting fat and lazy, and I'm glad to be doing something, anything, and get out and get some vitamin D. So I'm going to get some footage right off the bat. Y'all are going to see me from fire up the pole saw, which hadn't been started in 2 or 3 weeks. Cold start on the Echo pole saw, and watch me trim a bunch of these down. So let's get to it, guys. All right, I just wanted y'all to get a better shot of it. I think that'll do it. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so whenever I'm doing tree work like this, And I've already got this many limbs down. I don't like to leave them laying there as I'm more working around the tree, because of course it's a trip and fall hazard. And whenever you're operating a chainsaw that high above your head, you don't want to have to keep looking down at the ground and make sure you're not tripping over anything. So I'm going to go ahead and get all this stuff cleaned up right here and then start on some more. All right, so I got that cleaned up. Let's keep going. That's about a third of it, I think. Yeah, that's probably about a third. Let's knock this puppy out. All right, so that's what came out off of it. Looks about the same height to me. What do y'all think? So, rule number one, make sure you got plenty of oil in the reservoir. And as y'all can tell from how long it took to make those cuts, I need to sharpen that chain or get a new one. Now, y'all can see how far that thing extends out to. Now, whenever it's fully extended like that, it will give you a workout. Now, many of y'all are probably asking, how big a round of cuts will that thing make? So, let's see. Uh-oh. Sorry. That's how big that is right there. So, I don't know, that's probably about 6. It'll do 8 to 10. Like I said, it needs a chain on it badly though. But I've been using the heck out of that thing this winter. So it's time for some maintenance. But now we got us a little Joshua tree there. And like I said, the customer stated that if she loses it, she loses it. She doesn't care. She just wanted it cleaned up. So cleaned up is what we did, or what I did. So unless y'all want to come join in the fun, which I already have this shot by the time you watch it, but I want to get all this mess dragged to the road and cleaned up, and that's that job. So I'll get you some more footage, okay? All right, so for the city to pick it up, it's got to be cut to a certain length. I think it's 8 or 10 feet. Now that's quite a bit smaller, but what I've essentially done is cleaned up the entire mess back at the back and brought it up here. So now I want to take the Echo 620 PW and just make nice neat piles for the city to pick up so it's easy for them. But not only that, if the neighbors see what a nice neat job you did and you didn't leave just a total mess by the street, they're more likely to call you if they have jobs like this that needs to be done. And in addition to that, I mow this yard, so I don't want to have to pick all this up again whenever this snow melts and stuff. So killing two birds with one stone, as the metaphor goes. So I'm going to get started getting all this cleaned up. All right, so there it is, all cleaned up. I just took the 90-10. You're seeing grass. I just took the 90-10, blew little scraps up, but there you go, guys. All right, guys, so not much lawn work to be done whenever there's that much snow on the ground, but and she wasn't even in a hurry to get it done. It's just we had temperatures above 40 today, and I was just tired of sitting in the house, to be honest with you. So I just wanted to get out and do something, get the blood flowing and get some exercise, that sort of thing, pick up a little money while I'm at it. So I hope you liked the video. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Hit that thumbs up button for me if you don't mind, and a subscription to the channel would be great. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one.